Welcome everyone to Invent or Don't Invent on Facebook. This is my page here. Anyways, I have another idea. This idea I also thought of today while at work, and it's what I thought as a invisible cone or cones plural, and the way that it will work is it will be on a construction vehicle, and it will be pretty much like a laser. So laser pointing on street. So here you have a laser. They're very powerful, clearly evident when you see one. So I was thinking something like this, where a black dot, and I mean a black dot, red dot, and at night when the construction workers are working, it will throw out. So okay, so for the video, I'm gonna try to explain it with this real quick. So say the vehicle is like this. On one side, it'll have a laser, and say like this is a street here. So how do I do this? Okay, so this is the vehicle like that, and then the vehicle's over here. So this is the back end. One laser will point over here, another one over here, another one over here, another one over here, like a cone. So the cars can know to go around that vehicle. On the opposite side is also true. This one will then be turned off, and this one be activated, and this laser will point over here, this one over here, this one over here, this one over here. So traffic could go this way, depending on what side of the street you're on. So that was that, and it will be something similar to this right here. So because it starts from the from one side of the lane to the other at a pretty much 45-degree angle. So imagine, you have your truck, and then laser is like this, pointing like right here where this cone is at, and then the other one's equally measured in sequence all the way to the other side. And no matter how the vehicle turns and maneuvers, it will always keep that laser in the same area. So as the vehicle is trying to go into a cone area, then so the right signal, say it's trying to go into the right, so then the left signal lasers will pop on to direct traffic to go around the vehicle. Because I noticed the cement trucks do not have any type of this stuff here, or even the work trucks. I just thought it would be a good idea, even for excuse me, even for the sorry, I was laughing a lot. even for the the vehicles that drop the cones for the um, construction zone area. So here, there will be like some type of thing that I was referring to. So at night, it'll be clearly evident, and you'll be able to clearly see the laser. In the daytime, obviously, you won't be able to see it that clearly, um, but it's different in the daytime than in the nighttime. So yeah, that's that was another idea that I had that can be easily implemented to a vehicle, and of course, trial and error and experimentations. What works, what doesn't work. Even this idea is great with a straight line, so it could be pointed at a 45-degree angle either way, like these cones that you've seen up here with a more like a merging type of lane right here, like I explained earlier. And that's basically it. I know I talk a lot, and I know that this probably sounds a little bit weird, but I know it's not. And actually, these are my notes here that I took today, and I'll check this one off since I'm done with it. And here they are. These are my notes, and this is a quick illustration of that. Basically, this square is the vehicle, and this is the lane here. This is the vehicle and the lane, and over here, so your car, and you're coming this way, and you'll be forced to go out that way. If you're coming from this lane and you see these little lasers, you're going to be forced to go this way. So depending on what side of the road you're on the right side, or where the construction is being held, because right here this driver might want to make a left into a construction site, and the cars that are coming right behind it will see these lights now and be like, oh, okay, I need to move out of the way because this car is obviously going to be stopping soon or something, right? That type of concept. So, and then vice versa with the other side. Just some ideas that I quickly thought of and just pinned down. Um, there were some others, but I just quickly bypassed them. But if they come back to my mind, I will make more videos and explain more in detail, and just share with you guys out there. So, anyways, God bless everyone. Have a great day. If you guys like this idea, I know it's kind of like maybe a little bit hard to understand, but if you're in the construction industry, you probably know what I'm talking about. But anyway, this is with invent or don't invent, and I'm just trying to come up with new ideas. But invent and don't invent can be a completely separate organization or entity, identity. I don't know how to even pronounce it without me. Black me out, right? There's a bunch of ideas in here though that you guys will find interesting if you guys came on here and looked at them. Very, very interesting ones. But like my friend said once, eat the meat, throw out the bones. You get what you want out of it, and throw out what you don't. And that's the simplest way that I could put it to you either like it or don't like it. And that's the same thing with you guys. Like when you speak to someone, some people might feel the same way. Like, well, I don't like this, what he said here, but I kind of like what he said here. Well, no one really cares. It's just your perception of it. And I do care if you care. If you don't care, then I don't care. So anyway, I'm out. God bless everyone.